Hey everyone, Josh here. There we go. Just check out all these little these question marks all over the screen, and the filter that I'm using at the moment. This is just a few little new features on the Facebook Live. Have a bit of fun with it. You can turn them on and off. You can play with it during the. Let's see. We can change the filter for today, Friday afternoon, sitting out the front of my. The point, Joshua, you're saying. As I said in the comment below, above, I tested a boost of a post and then ran that post through Facebook Ads Manager using the campaign post engagement. Changed nothing, just ran them side by side to see what would happen. And funnily enough, the boost post got me 1 cent engagements. It reached over 11,000 people for $7, ran for 24 hours, and the Ads Manager campaign for post engagement, ran for exactly 30 minutes before it was banned by Facebook because there was too much text, and it cost me 36 cents per post engagement and only reached 500 people in those 30 minutes. So it was quite a funny test that that was actually the case, that the too much text for the boost post wasn't picked up by Facebook, but when I ran it through the Ads Manager it was. Let me know if you've had those sort of results. I was wrapped with the results I got on that post. You can jump down through the timeline and check out those that post that I'm talking about. It was the one with employees need to love their company, so that, I'm all over the shop. Check it out down there. It's the one with 430 or 500 likes and a bucket load of shares, and yeah, it went viral for me. But funnily enough, when I used that exact same post, Facebook picked me up because there was too much text and wouldn't run it. There is a lesson here. The lesson is to test and not take things too seriously. Hey Pippa, how you going? If something doesn't work, get over it, try something else. Try it in Ads Manager, try it in a boost post. The trick that I did use when I did boost it, I used a saved audience that I'd created in Ads Manager, and that's very, very important if you're using boost posts. Don't just go wide. That one went to a lookalike audience of people internationally, so that was a really cool test. So have a great day. You like all my question marks? Let's see if I can do one extra little screen just to say I love you all. Thank you very much. Have an awesome afternoon, evening, weekend, whatever it is that you're doing, and I look forward to hearing from you all very soon. See you guys. Bye.